Hello and welcome. Today we are diving into the AdMob Network Waterfall, a critical component of maximizing your app's monetization strategy. The AdMob network can be used simultaneously as both a bidding source and a waterfall ad source. When you use the AdMob network as a waterfall ad source instance, you are ensuring that AdMob has multiple opportunities to fill your ad inventory within a single mediation group. We will explore two primary ways to implement and manage this setup: the traditional manual approach and the efficiency-driven automated approach using tools like Dolphin 2.0. The manual method is necessary to map the AdMob network waterfall to your existing standard AdMob ad units, similar to mapping a third-party ad source. Remember to call the AdMob network more than once in a mediation group. You must create a separate AdMob network waterfall ad unit for each instance. Let's dive into the steps. We need to create the AdMob Network Waterfall ad unit. First, sign into your AdMob account and navigate to Apps. Go to Ad Units and click Add Ad Unit. Select the ad format, then crucially, check the box next to the AdMob Network Waterfall to designate this unit for use in waterfall mediation. Then, in the advanced settings, click Manual Floor to set a minimum eCPM. This instructs the AdMob network not to serve ads that fall below your set minimum. Then, click Create Ad Unit. Next, we'll talk about adding the AdMob network waterfall to a mediation group. Navigate to Mediation in the AdMob sidebar, then select your mediation group. In the Waterfall Ad Source table, click Add Ad Source and select AdMob Network Waterfall. Enter a manual eCPM for this instance. Ensure that the eCPM that you enter is the same eCPM that you set for the created ad unit. Click Add Mapping next to the standard ad unit you wish to map. Enter the AdMob Network Waterfall ad unit ID, the one we created before. Then click Done, then save the mediation group. And that is it for adding AdMob Network Waterfall in your mediation group using the manual approach. However, manual configuration can be slow and prone to errors. Using the AdMob API, you can build your own tools to automate this process. Or you can use Dolphin 2.0, a custom automation solution, and it's not an official Google solution. So this tool would be a use at your own risk, open source tool. Dolphin 2.0 is a client-side dashboard designed to automate complex mediation setup by leveraging the AdMob API and publicly available third-party APIs. In order to use Dolphin, you need Node.js installed on your computer. So head to nodejs.org and then download and install the package. Then download the Dolphin code, unzip it, and then in your terminal, head to the Dolphin directory and then input the command npm install. This will install all the necessary dependencies to use Dolphin. Then head to your Google Cloud console, select your project in Google Cloud, then under APIs and Services, select Credentials. Click on Create Credentials, then OAuth Client ID. For the application type, set it to be a web application. Then, for the name, type in Dolphin. As for the authorized JavaScript origins and the authorized redirect URIs, set them both to be http://localhost:3000. Then ensure to set the same URI in the authorized redirect URIs and click on Create. This will create a Google Cloud Client ID. Make sure to copy the client ID and then click OK. Then head back to Enabled APIs and Services and click on plus Enable APIs and Services. In the search bar, search for AdMob API, then hit Enter. Ensure that the AdMob API is enabled. Once that step is completed, head back to your Dolphin directory code and then head to src util auth and then open your authprovider.tsx with any text editor. Once you do so, make sure to place your Google Cloud Client ID, the one we copied from earlier, in the correct spot. And then hit save. Once you do so, in your terminal, run npm start in the Dolphin directory, and this will start the Dolphin dashboard. Once Dolphin has started, make sure to log in with your Gmail account, the one that's associated with your AdMob account. You have to be an admin on the AdMob account in order to use the AdMob API. Once you're authenticated, head to the Configuration tab, select AdMob Network Waterfall, and click Save. This will configure using AdMob Network Waterfall. Additionally, in the future, if you wish to use other third-party networks, you are able to configure them using this page. Then head back to the main page, select your mediation group, and then scroll down to your waterfall sources. Click on the plus button and add an AdMob Network Waterfall source. Set your eCPM, and then you are able to either apply the changes straight into production or provide the A/B test a name, and you are able to create a A/B test experiment to test the results of AdMob Network Waterfall. Overall, managing the AdMob Network Waterfall is key to maximizing revenue, whether you choose the detailed manual configuration or the efficiency of automated tools like Dolphin 2.0. Automation offers significant advantages by drastically reducing the time needed to manage optimization and lowering the risk of manual errors.